In this video, I want to show you a system I created to gather more information about what you read. And I primarily use it on my iPad, but any other tablet or also desktop here in this example works as well. And a lot of you might be already familiar with Readwise, where we have this index card app or software, and we can get our information out of books and highlights and so on. We can also tag them. And then they also released a couple of months probably, or maybe already over a year, I have no idea, another app called Readwise Reader. And honestly, this changed my life, and this is also the topic about today's video. In short, Readwise Reader has specific functions which are honestly game-changing. We're starting off first with a library. This library in Readwise Reader has specific, let's say, sorts or categories. We have articles, we have books, emails, PDFs, which I haven't used so far, tweets, which I just not used a lot, but a bit. We have videos, and we have tags, which I will come to the end of this video, and which is also the primary biggest reason why we should actually get this app. How does it work? First of all, we always send specific things to our Readwise Reader. This can be, as mentioned, articles, books, emails, videos, etc. We take this example here, the top 5 beginner newsletter mistakes from Mike Romaine. So, for example, if we want to read the newsletter or his blog post, or actually a newsletter and then he's publishing it as a blog post on his website, we can just put this here. I don't do it right now, but we can highlight it, and then it automatically gets into our Readwise Reader, and from there on we can read it. So we are here on YouTube, for example, and let's, for example, here, PsychHacks, great YouTube channel, big fan of it. And for example, we can just click one of the videos, put it with a highlight, and then the video will be stored here, and then we can click on it. Let's take Why Most Marriages Fail, and then we can watch it.
I'm Dr. Orion.
And while watching it, it will follow a specific script. So the script will be is probably generated by AI, and this is exactly what he's talking about. And the good thing is, first of all, we can listen to his voice and don't need to listen to an annoying AI voice. So we can listen to his voice, and on the same time we can read what he's talking about and make our tags and highlights. And honestly, this is a game changer, because a lot of other apps like Kindle or Apple Books does not have anything close to that ecosystem. And also, when we use these tags, we can also connect them with our second brain, and our second brain can be Notion, Obsidian, or Cortex, which I'm using. And we can also highlight specific notes and type in, okay, that resonates with whatsoever, and then save it. And then we also have this tag, or we can tag it, say, hey, this is a love relationship topic, and then it connects to our tag system in our Readwise app. I don't want to get too much into this. It's a lot of fun and a lot of possibilities. So you can test it out for yourself. But what I want to give you as well for this video is my specific tag system, how I use it. And to explain this tag system, the simplest way is using this newsletter example. So for example, here, Mike Romaine's newsletter post, and let's say we want to highlight that. There's a lot of shortcuts as well. And then let's say it's a newsletter topic, because he writes everything about newsletter. So I have a category tag. Means I have a grandparent tag. So I organize my tags in 3 different ways. First of all, we have the grandparent tag, then we have the parent tag, and then we have the child tag. The grandparent tag on the top is, for example, the category. Category means newsletter. Then second of all, we have the parent tag, which is the keyword, for example. The keyword could be newsletter growth, for example. So we starting with the grandparent is a newsletter, the general topic, the general category. Then we're getting a step down, have the parent tag, means the keywords, means specific topics. Here, newsletter growth, which I accidentally pressed wrong. Newsletter growth strategy here would be number 2. So we have newsletter as a category, and then we have newsletter growth strategies. And then we also want to have the lowest one is a child tag. So this could be another thing like newsletter example, for example. And this is mostly a specific purpose we need to use it. So for example, I search for newsletter, that's a category. Then I'm looking for the keywords like, it's about growth strategies. And then it's like, okay, do I have any newsletter examples which are in the growth strategy area? And we can put it further down. We can also include even more tags about newsletter stuff like what I have here: welcome sequence, landing page, content example, welcome offer, pre-newsletter call to action. So there's a lot of possibility what we can do in this option, but honestly, this type of system changed the way how I read and how I take notes and how my second brain is developing. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you want to find out more about my content, about my newsletter, link is down below. Everything is down in the description if you're interested in hearing and getting more information, especially about problem solving, productivity, and self-development. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.